Hey you guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. And if you are new to my channel, then hi, my name is Somya and I post videos on makeup, beauty, fashion and lifestyle. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon for further updates. So without any further ado, let's dive into the video.
Today's video I will be showing you all an amazing skincare that can make your skin free from pimples, fine lines and wrinkles. So for this I will be using only two products, that are aloe vera gel and vitamin E capsule, that is Evian. Vitamin E is a nutrient your body needs. It is the most commonly known for its benefit for skin health and appearance. It can be applied topically to your face to reduce inflammation and make your skin look younger. Vitamin E oil can be used on your face as an overnight anti-aging treatment. Now the other product is aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel helps soothe sunburn. It has cooling property and is anti-inflammatory. It also helps to moisturize your skin, fights skin aging, lightens and blemishes on your face. Applying this aloe vera gel helps with a protective layer for the skin, and it also helps to retain moisture. It is rich in antioxidants and minerals that boost the healing process. So now you can maintain your summer skin health using aloe vera gel and vitamin E capsule. Using the two products, that is aloe vera gel and Evian tablet, we will be making an overnight serum gel for our skin so that our skin feels more healthier. The thick consistency of vitamin E prevents dirt and oil from entering your skin. Additionally, this mask also contains aloe vera gel to provide your skin with the necessary moisture and nourishment it needs. Now we will take 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel and put it into the bowl. This is the amount of aloe vera gel that you need with 1 capsule of Evian tablet to make your serum or gel. Now take 1 vitamin E or Evian capsule and with the help of the safety pin piercing, mix it with the aloe vera gel. This is how you're gonna add the oil in the capsule to the aloe vera gel. Just squeeze the capsule into the aloe vera gel. We have added the Evian capsule with the aloe vera gel. With the help of the spoon, mix it for a few seconds. Mix it properly so that the Evian oil gets properly mixed in aloe vera gel. This is the mixture that we get by mixing the aloe vera gel and Evian capsule. You can see. Consistency of this mixture is thick, then you can add more aloe vera gel to it. Aloe vera gel and Evian mixture is ready, that you can use overnight. Let's take this much amount of the mixture or the gel and apply it to the back of our hand. Take this much amount of the mixture or the gel and then mix it properly in circular motion to your hands. Now you can see the results. It will make you feel very moisturized and healthy. You can store this gel in a small container and use it for 3 to 4 days, and you can use it as your overnight gel.
So now let's try the gel that we have made with vitamin E capsule, that is Evian and aloe vera gel. I have nothing on my face. My face is bare. I just only have my lipstick and my kajal, nothing else. So let's try. So this is the gel, as you can see. Now let's try. Take this much amount and apply it under your eyes, forehead, cheeks, chin, everywhere. It will help you to remove your blemishes, the tanning and everything. It will improve the quality of your skin and make your skin more smooth, and it will improve your texture also. Use the same on the neck also. Mix it well in circular motion in the upward direction. with slowly, not so harshly. Slowly under your eyes. If you move your skin upward, then it will tighten your skin and make your skin more healthier, and it will prevent aging also. After some time it will set into your skin. Leave it for overnight, and then in the next morning get up and wash this off. My skin feels so healthy. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon for further updates.